Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. Today in this video we'll see how to compare two columns and populate a third column with UNICHAR characters greater than or less than. Okay, so greater than is the up triangle and less than is the down triangle. So we'll compare two columns and we'll populate a third column with UNICHARs. Okay, greater than, less than. Then we'll give the color green for up triangle and color red for down triangle. Okay, let's see how to do this. So first we'll write a measure. Okay, write a measure with if condition. If okay, sum of number one, okay, greater than sum of number two. Okay, then so I want to give UNICHAR. Okay, UNICHAR 9650. This is up triangle. Okay, otherwise I want to give UNICHAR. Okay, UNICHAR 9660, which is a down triangle. Okay guys, now let us run this measure and put as a column here. Okay, then we'll get the triangles like this, down and up. So I want to give the green color for up and red color for down. Okay, for that I will write one more measure. Okay, measure 2. So with if condition, if okay, if measure equal to UNICHAR. Okay, UNICHAR 9650. Okay, then I want to give as 1, otherwise I want to give 0. Okay, right guys, so this is a measure 2. So using this measure 2, I will do the conditional formatting. Okay, go to format and go to cell elements. So series is our measure. Okay, so third column is a measure. Select the measure and select the font color. Okay, then here rules and values only, then using measure 2, right? So measure 2 equal to 1. Okay, so this will be number. So I want to give the color red. Okay, so let 1 means green. Okay, so let's give the green here. Okay, and one more rule, if this value is equal to 0 number, then I want to give this as a red. Okay, so let's select red here somewhere. Okay, select this. Okay, so like this you can populate. Okay, down triangles with red and up triangles with green. Okay guys, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such videos on Power BI DAX. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.